Hi guys, Richard here. And today I just wanted to speak about 5 reasons. The 5 reasons why persons are not having that level of success online. The first reason would be is that most persons, especially new marketers, all right, they never brand themselves. They actually put the company before them, and that they whatever promotion that you see them doing, whatever ad or whatever, it is always the company. It's never them. You never see the face, you never hear their voice, they never brand themselves. And that is the wrong thing to do. God forbid, but let's say a company goes away. What happens to you? Then you're going to get another company and do the same thing over again, branding that company. It really doesn't make sense. If you understand what I'm saying, the people have to know, like, and trust you, right? And that only happens by building some level of relationship. And relationship in this sense is by persons actually getting to know you, and that usually happens within stuff like videos, doing videos and that kind of stuff. Persons are able to see you and actually see your mannerism, and all of that actually inspires know, like, and trust. All right. If you feel shy, you feel that you don't want to actually put your face out there, you could actually do a video recording. At least let persons be able to identify your voice within a crowd of persons. All right. So you need to brand yourself, because persons are actually looking to form business relationships with individuals. All right. Individuals who they know, like, and trust, as I said. Individuals that they believe that could help them. So if you are putting out great content out there so that persons could have a good idea that, here, well, this is a person that has been in the industry for a while, has this level of success, understand how the industry works, and obviously if I join with them, it's going to be an asset to me, because they now are going to actually help me, all right, in building and showing me the do's and the do nots. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So reason number 2 is that persons are not building a list. All right. A lot of persons are marketing themselves within the groups, so they pitch the different ads, and even when persons actually come to them, they usually just give them the company information immediately. So the person now goes through the information, whether or not they decide that they're going to join. Most of the times they actually don't join, and now that basically that link is lost forever, because that form of contact, because you usually are not able to actually get in contact with that individual again, because they usually believe that you're coming back to ask them about the business. They know they made up their mind, they're not going to join, and then you become a nuisance. The better way of doing it is actually getting a capture page and letting persons now opt in if they so desire to actually get the information. What you are actually doing by doing that, you are actually allowing yourself to be able to actually make some level of contacts with this person a couple times, right, by mediums such as email series. Sometimes, according to how you set up your page, you might be able to actually get the phone number. Most persons, in order to build know, like, and trust in you, it usually takes anywhere between 5 to 7 forms of contact. So whether it be, all right, the first time they actually saw you, they probably saw you in a Facebook group, and next time they saw you on a YouTube video, next time they saw you on some probably a ad or some kind of thing. So it's just many different encounters with you that they have seen, and that actually inspires the stuff. So when emails as well is another form of contact, so that's already about 4 different forms of contacts already. This person is actually starting to see who you are. All right, they're actually starting to get to know you, because there's a lot of persons that, myself included, I saw them through social media and following them for a while, watching different videos. Never made any like formal contact with them or anything like that. But I actually just keep on following the videos, because I found that they had great content, and eventually I even joined some of these individuals in different businesses that they had. All right, so by you doing the same, definitely you actually setting up yourself for a level of success. It's not going to happen today. It's not going to happen the same day, but it's definitely going to happen. All right. Thirdly, why persons are not having that success is because persons are not they're not actually following up. They don't have a automated way of following up with person. You remember, life get busy. It's really kind of hard, especially because most persons who actually looking to build a second stream of income have a primary business, whether it be they own or they actually work for someone. So it's very difficult to have that constant communication with different individuals, because you speak to so many different individuals on a daily basis. So that is definitely where the having some sort of autoresponder is going to really, really, really help you. All right, help you in order so that you could actually, have an automated system where your information is actually reaching the eyeballs of your audience. All right, especially those persons who will be opting in to your actually landing page to get the information that they are asking. Well, yeah, they are asking for. All right, so that's the third. The fourth reason why most persons fail is because a lot of persons are not resourceful. When I say that, a lot of persons, we join businesses, all right, and let's say, for instance, you probably have a sucky sponsor. Your sponsor doesn't communicate. He doesn't show you how to operate a business, or probably he or her actually quit the business. All right, so they are no longer involved. What you're gonna do? You're gonna just quit the business? That makes no sense. All right, you already made your investment because you saw the possibility. A great medium of which I find to really help a lot of persons is actually YouTube. YouTube is one of the number one search engines, only second to Google. All right, so a lot of persons actually go to YouTube, all right, looking for information. All right, they don't go to Facebook looking for information, but they do that on YouTube. All right, so search YouTube. Any you don't know how to do this, you don't know how to market, you don't, regardless of whatever it is, make sure, and to your benefit, this is to your benefit, that you ensure that you actually getting information, because it's not good. How could you stop your business? All right, stop your business just because you're not getting assistance when there is a wealth of information out there via social media, just waiting for you to just literally click of a button and you will actually get that information. Reason number 5, a lot of persons are actually not having the level of success that they want online, is because a lot of persons are not investing in themselves. They don't understand that, this is a business that I'm getting myself involved in. I have never been in business before, so it would be, to your great advantage that you actually have some level, some resource, some mentor, or something to actually be working in your favor, because you're trying to make a shortcut to success. All right, why should you go through this tremendous amount of strain? All right, and knowing that there are persons who walk this path before, and they know exactly how to build a business because they learned from failure. All right, and the failure now brought them to the point of having the level of success that they need. All right, so why would you rob yourself the opportunity of getting information like that? And that's where self-development courses usually comes in. There's a lot of different courses out there that can show you how to develop yourself, because believe it or not, self-development has a lot to do with you as an individual, and you have to basically build yourself as an individual before you are able to actually earn money. But I learned that very early in the game that you really, really need some level of guidance and some mentorship that is going to help you along your path to the success that you need. Because trust me, the same way that whatever job that you hold right now, you actually had some sort of mentorship via schools and whatnot to help you learn the essential skills. It is the same way that while you are marketing yourself online, especially since you have no idea what you are doing, especially if you're new, and even to some of the folks who are actually in for a while, you need to actually have some guidance showing you exactly how, what to, the do's and do nots within the marketing scheme of things. All right, so I trust that these 5 reasons is going to definitely, because I pray that you take them seriously. These are the reasons, and these are also the solutions. So for wherever you are right now, that you're going to be able to actually build that level of momentum and actually get that level of success online that you are actually in search for. If this is the first time that you're seeing this channel, if you're new to this channel and you would like to see more content coming from me, all right, in terms of marketing and tips and tricks of how to build a business, make sure to smash that subscribe button so that you won't miss when I actually make future uploads. And be sure to stick around. I have other videos that will be coming up there in the tabs and even down in the descriptions. Yeah, feel free to actually browse some of the information that I have there. All right, this is Richard, and just remember, wherever you are right now, the only way from here is up. Blessings.